you. Don't come close to me, Mama.
Ejike.
Mama, hold your sword.
Ejike.
Mama, step away. Mama, step away.
Are you crazy?
I thought you said they forgiven you.
Mama, I told you. I'll tell you. You will be the first person to know if I forgive Papa. Mama, step away.
But what has Papa done to you that...
Uche!
Mama, your son is a useless boy.
Can you calm down?
It's a lie. I will not calm down.
Uche, stop now.
Your son is a dog. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Yes, you're a useless man. No. How dare you? After everything you did, no atom of remorse, nothing, no respect, no regard, and yet you're insulting my father.
Mama,
who are you? You are a beast. You are a beast. Do you hear him? You can't do anything.
Mama, step away.
You cannot.
Mama, I said step away.
Step away, I beg. Step away. Who are you?
I am sorry. I am sorry.
Uche, do you know me?
You're not for pork.
I am sorry.
Uche,
do you know me?
You don't have to. Hey, Apaka. Ow. You're mad, Abi? You're crazy. You're crazy.
Who gave you a gun?
You're mad.
Papa, I told you this boy is a cultist.
Papa, stay away.
How did you get a gun?
You're a stupid fool. I will kill you right now. I will kill you right now. Papa, stay away. Stay away. Let me teach this.
This boy is a cultist. I told you.
Let me teach.
Who gave you a gun?
This idiot.
What have you done? What have you done?
Papa,
What have you done?
Papa,
What have you done?
Uche,
What have you done?
Uche, you have killed him.
What have you done? Papa, hey! Hey!
Uche,
Uche, how dare you?
Uche,
How dare you challenge me?
Uche,
How dare you challenge me?
Uche, what have you done? 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 What have you done?
Mama. Mama. What is it? Your phone is ringing.
Huh?
Mama, your phone is ringing. Mama, Uche is calling you. Uche is on the line. Mama, pick up Uche's call.
Let me go.
Henry, wait. Wait.
Hey, what was that? What was the meaning of that embarrassment?
You need to calm down. Her mother wants to talk to her.
You're asking me to calm down?
You need to.
Listen, I am not in the mood for this, okay? I just want to leave here. Excuse me.
Take it easy.
Henry, I'll see you.
Well, I'm going with you. But Henry, see, on the serious note, you need to calm down.
Nah, you should wait. What is wrong with you?
Mama, nothing is doing me.
Why are you behaving this way? Huh? What is your problem?
Mama, why are you screaming at me now? Oh, tell me, what are you doing now? Eh? Nothing is longing with me. Marriage is it by forcing? Don't want him.
This young man that just left is the third suitor you are rejecting this month. Nani this month, oh. Eh?
Ego, what Mama is telling you is the truth, oh. What you are doing to this man is not good.
No, you would have been talking and be coming close. Be coming close and be talking to me. If I slapping you, your brain will reset. Wait. I'm talking, no, Mama ain't talking, you're talking. We're not mates.
Ego, what is your problem? Eh?
Mama, nothing is doing me. I don't want you to marry. Person I want to marry, come at the right time. I marry. Talking to your daughter. See, I won't join her. Mama, you don't urge to marry. You don't marry. Mama, I beg you, leave me. Who did this to her? Eh? Who is after me?
Mama, nobody is doing anything to your daughter. Her Ogbanje have started. That is just...
Shut up! Don't allow her to hear that. I hear it, but I keep it quiet. I hear it. Wait. Don't stop at hearing it.
Nna. Mama.
Nna.
Oh. Mama, I'm already late for our youth meeting.
Did you say youth meeting?
Mm-hmm.
Are you still a youth?
Mama, I'm only 38 years old. I'm not 40 yet.
So what do you mean by that?
Mama, life begins at 40. Haven't you heard of that before?
Oh, I understand now. Ejike, I had Uche, your brother, 8 years after I had you. So each 8 years, we brought your boy.
Mama, you've said this to me over 20 times. And each time you say it, I just know there's something on your mind.
Ejike, no matter what happens in this world, do not let anything come between you and your younger brother.
Mama, I'm aware that Uche is my brother and my only brother. And I promise you nothing will come in between us. I don't have to say this a million times before you understand me, Mama.
I just felt I should remind you.
Mama, something tells me there's more to this, but when I come back.
God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
How did the meeting with the elders go?
Well, I would say the meeting went well.
Is anything the matter? Did anything happen there?
Naji's last son is getting married. That was basically what the elders discussed at the meeting.
When did people's personal problems and issue become a subject of discussion at elders' meetings?
I was made the subject of discussion. I was made the subject of mockery. Yes.
Who could have done that to my husband? Who did he call you? Talk to me now. What happened? What happened?
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her. Okay, then work somewhere. Any nonsense thing, she know they take her. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God, lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My God.
Ego,
Yes.
they said I have passed the age of marriage. There are rumors everywhere. The elders are going around telling people that my father has never spoken about his sons getting married before.
So, how is that one their business now? I don't understand.
You know how your people
It's
talk?
nothing their business.
You know how your people talk?
See, you are stressing yourself too much. Let me just tell you. Listen, hey, me, I'm ready to kill anybody. You know my head is not correct and I don't want it to be correct and I can never be corrected and you know that. You know, Abi? Me, I'm ready to know person for your matter. So anybody that talk nonsense, you receive nonsense. Me, I'm not like you.
Ego.
I'm not think calm.
Ego, please.
Nobody do anyhow.
Let's
give
go.
them anyhow.
Ego.
Nobody playing with my mind.
Ego. Let's talk about something else. Let's change the topic. What about the soup you promised to make for me?
Hi. What is concerning the soup we are talking with what we are talking now? Tell me. What we are talking like now? What is concerning food? You like food too much.
Ego, you promised to make native soup for me now.
You like food too much. Ha! Be calming down, you yourself. You like food too much. Oh.
Ego, show me a man who doesn't like food. Show me a man who doesn't like food.
My father is not like food the way you like food. You like food too much. You're making your mouth, your face is big.
Ego, I've paid for English classes for you. Get ready, you're going back to school.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice.
So they made me feel that it was my fault that our sons, especially Dikeh, are not married yet.
Nine. Don't allow those old, good-for-nothing elders make you feel like a failed father. For as far as I'm concerned, you have not failed in any way. You have always been a good father.
I beseech you to speak to my fellow elders in such manner.
They're lucky I wasn't there. Because if I were there, I would not be quiet to hear them speak ill about our family. I would have given it to them hot. What is that? Madam, am I in the business here?
It is not their fault.
And whose fault is that?
Dikeh, my son, is to be blamed. He has refused to be useful to himself. He's the reason everybody mocks me whenever I go to.
Musman, please don't say that.
Why won't I say
please
it?
calm down.
Why won't I say it? Do you know how many traditional weddings that I have attended to and people host me, I eat and dine with them, yet I've not been able to host one, not one. Is that not an insult
It is our
to my person?
It is our problem, not the elders' problem. I don't know why they should carry somebody's problem on their heads.
They have their reasons.
Which is?
Are you asking me? You should know.
What is that? You always allow them to humiliate you.
Are you talking about humiliation? Or I should talking about the reality? I know you won't say anything because you're not the one facing them. Because you day in, day out, you are inside. I'm the one who is always going out there to face their grenades.
Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. Any nonsense thing.
I think they are right.
They are light.
Yes.
How? Me, they're not light. Oh. They're nothing light.
They are.
What you saying, Save? I'm not even understanding you. Sometimes you do me like you're forgetting your brain. Oh. How? You listening to what people talking. People have their mouth, they talk what they want to talk. How it concerning you? It's not their business when you want to marry. See, when the time is light, me and you marry, not listen to them.
When is the right time? What if you lose interest in me before that right time comes?
No, you're joking.
No, I'm not joking.
Which talking is this one now? Losing interest, how?
I just asked you a question. What if you forget about me and maybe follow
Why am I
someone
forgetting
else?
about you? After all these years past me, you. So you're not trusting me? Don't follow me.
Go, come now. Huh? I was just asking you a simple question. Why are you getting upset? Why are you getting angry?
I'm angry now.
Why?
Is it not you? You, since me and you doing this thing, you do this thing, you're not wanting me to go see your people.
Ego, why are you sounding like this now?
I'm sounding like that because...
You want me to take you to my people after everything I told you?
What you told me is wrong time ago. It passed away. It passed.
Ego, why are you sounding like this now? Don't be saying this now.
taking me to your people. That's my own.
I will take you to my people now. I will.
You're wasting time now.
I know, but I will.
And you stopping talking this thing. You're talking that I'm not liking you again. I'm losing interest.
I'm just asking. It's just a question I asked you. You say yes or no. You don't have to get angry.
If I leave you, who are going for now?
Let me help you. Let me help you now.
Now you know you're helping me.
Put this thing.
Now you know you're helping me. No type of boyfriend I have inside. Carrying the thing up about my mouth as speaking grammar for you.
Let's go now. I've paid for English classes for you.
Don't insulting me.
No, I said I've paid for it.
Don't insulting me. I carry my water. Don't insulting me.
You're supposed to say thank you.
You're not seeing those people that are speaking English before you coming for ego.
I said I've paid for English classes for you. Get ready. You're going back to school.
I no carry the water.
I have no choice than to get educated married as soon as possible. I don't have that choice now.
Meaning you're going to force me to marriage?
Whatever.
Whatever. Or even whatever. Just because you were ridiculed by those old good-for-nothing elders. That is why we cannot rest in this house. What is that?
Nejike, I want you to understand this.
Mm-hmm.
The courage and strength of every man is to see his children's success and not the opposite.
So you want to force him? Let me see how you're going to do it. Forcing Ejike into marriage. But let me ask you, has Ejike ever introduced someone to you that he wants to get married to?
He hasn't, but it doesn't matter.
Were you forced into marriage? No problem. Let's see how it goes. I am watching.
And as for Uchenna, I don't know what has become of him over there in Malaysia. Each time I call him on phone, if he talk up and down. What has become of these children?
They will get married at their own time.
How soon?
You don't force marriage.
How soon is soon? I'm asking you.
When they want.
How old was I when I came for you? I know you will always work.
Even that responsibility in marriage, you are still showing yourself.
Showing myself?
Marriage. Do you want to know?
Look at how you are opening your mouth. I won't blame you because you don't know the area I am targeting. When I become Ono, you will be sitting here to eat all the anokoko. When I come with you, you will be here to eat it. Now that I am pursuing my uttermost interest in that office of Ono, you don't want to support me. How do you think that will be possible if my children are with no wives? How do you think I will gain that seat? Not able to open your eyes so that you will see far. You will be dumbfounded both in brain and in thinking. And I don't blame you.
I don't understanding you. No, tell me how you meaning now. I'm not understanding.
Uche is getting married.
Uche? I'm not knowing who is answering Uche. Who is Uche now?
Uche is my younger brother.
Younger brother?
Yeah, he lives in Malaysia.
He getting married? He good now. He good. But why in Mali before you? That one he not good though.
Uche is my younger brother who traveled to Malaysia 3 years ago. I don't know. There are so many reasons why he wants to get married.
Reasons?
He has made money. So he wants to get married because I'm not ready to get married.
Make money? let him using the money to supporting you now. Yes, he use money in helping you, you marry. He marry after.
When I was at your place, he called me and told me his plans. I understand, but it's not like I'm...
Wait, this thing now, it's not bothering you?
I'm bothered.
Not bother you?
I'm bothered, but I don't have a choice. Besides, he's trying to save my father from shame.
Shame? What you talking again? You confusing me, you turning my head up and down. I'm not understanding you. Eh? See now, you're not talking to me again.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is brother now.
So, my husband, what are you going to do about this issue?
Nothing.
Nothing. But you told me how eager you have always been about this matter. So what changed?
My father and I have always talked about it.
Oh, and you cannot afford to let him down. You must make him proud, right?
My father is long dead.
But you have always told me that even the dead is expectant. Mm-hmm.
I'm supposed to be the next to know of Amadi. And now the time is ripe. The tradition says that one of my sons must get married as a prerequisite to that title. What kind of tradition is that?
The tradition has always been there.
It's so obsolete and different.
I'm so shocked that you were the one talking about the tradition of your line like that.
I'm about to be frustrated.
And you know it, Ndukwe. You still have another opportunity.
I know it. But my second son is in faraway Malaysia.
I thought you said he will be coming back soon. Our Igwe is sick. And you and I know that if he eventually dies, you automatically lose the opportunity. So also your lineage. Ndukwe, I advise you have to do something. And you must do it fast.
Joseph, my hands are tied. That's why I came to see you.
Ndukwe, think. Think! And remember, time is running out.
I have nothing to think about this now. I need your help. That is why I'm here.
Well, I wish I can
have something to think. I will be thinking it in my house.
Well, I wish I can help.
Huh? You're my friend. You can help me raise some money for my son, Ejike, to get married.
Ndukwe, I will never do that. As far as that your useless son is concerned. Tell him to be useful to himself. Where is Yoku? You are the best person to tell him the truth.
Uzo, I have not come here for you to insult my son.
Then you leave my house. Leave my house if that is why you are here. What? Naba?
Are you asking me out of your house?
I think I'm done with you.
Why is he this mean? What have I done wrong? Well, I'll wait until he comes out.
You're back already.
Oh.
What happened? Did you see him?
Do you know that Uzo walked me out of his house?
What? Uzo walked you out of his house? Why?
I was so insulted.
Wait, my phone is ringing inside. Let me quickly pick it.
Oh yeah? Who is that?
Fine.
Who is that?
Is Uche our son?
Uche.
Uche,
Hey, give it to me. Hello, Uche. How are you?
I am fine, Papa. How are you?
I'm fine. So when are you coming back?
Papa, you ask this all the time. I told you I will be back soon. How is Mama?
Your mother is...
Give me. Hello, Na.
Mama.
I am fine. Oh, Uche, how is the white man treating you over there?
Malaysia is fine.
So when are you coming to take us with you?
I will come back and take you to Malaysia, but I do not have the capacity now. So, Cherry go do.
Uche, please, I want you to remember what I spoke to you about some time ago when I called. Once our Igwe dies and none of my sons are able to get married, automatically I lose my position of becoming the next kingmaker of this community.
Papa, what do you need that title for? Those things are becoming rather irrelevant. I mean, in this time and dispensation, you're still talking about title? Come on.
Listen, my son, just consider this, Start making arrangements to come down home any moment from now, so that you will always meet the girl that has been waiting for you. I want you to get married to her as quickly as possible, because once our Igwe dies, oh my God, I will not gain that position. That is my priority. Your returning is my priority. Returning and getting married at the same time. I will see to it. I will sponsor everything.
Papa, how is my marriage going to keep the Igwe alive?
Nando, what is the problem? Tell me. I know the way you're sounding like you have a problem. What is the problem?
I will come back home, but not as you think. Papa, there is a problem.
Talk now, we are hearing you. What is the problem?
It's beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila.
Hi. Nai, good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon? Tell me, Eflef, what is good about the afternoon?
Nai, why are you talking to me like that? What have I done?
Oh, you are asking me what you have done. You are asking me. You are mate in the city, making money. You are here, whiling away your time. You are asking me.
Nai, I don't understand. Is it my fault that I'm still in this village?
It's not your fault. It is my fault. Have a look at yourself. Have a look at yourself, a full-grown man. Your father had the guts to come to beg money in my house for your marriage. Is it not a shameful thing? Now, let him come and see me, man. Let him come to my house and beg me.
My father came to ask you for money. Money for my marriage. What for?
Oh, you are pretending as if you don't know.
I have no idea he came to beg you for money.
Useless boy. A fool at 40 is a fool forever. Very soon, you will clock 40. Are you not ashamed of
Nai, don't talk to me like that. Nai, I've never insulted you before. Don't talk to me like that, Nai. Nai, don't talk to me like that.
I will talk to you like that. It's your father.
You're not my God.
I can never be your God.
You're not my God.
I can never be.
Nai, you're not my God.
I will not.
You're not my God.
I am not, and I can never be.
And besides, I have something doing. I'm a professional carpenter.
Yes. Carpenter and the dog pusher. What is the difference?
I make money for my shop. I make enough money for my shop. I'm a professional carpenter.
You are not any professional. You make money. Your father come to my house to beg money.
I had no idea my father came to your house to beg money.
Ask him. Shameless man.
You're not my God.
I can never be your God.
Nah, you're not my God.
I'm not your God.
Mind yourself in this village. Mind yourself in this village. Okay now.
Move.
Okay now.
Hey, oh, you have now grown wings to act. Ask your father. He knows the right thing to do. Nonsense. You are not my God. Must I be your God? Why must your father come to beg me money? And what? Look at this shameless. Your father has the money and then you come to look for money for my side. What have I done?
You tell me you gave me something to do in this village and I didn't do it.
Am I the one that gave other people what to do? Why can't you look for something better for yourself? Why can't you look for something? Oh, you are using me. You are using me. I have nothing to do with you. I will deal with your father.
Listen, don't come near me. If you come near me, I'll break your head.
I will break your father's head. If you break my head, I'll break your father's own. Nonsense. Don't worry.
Bring her out today. I clean her. Mama, this girl, she having the guts. You insulted me. Mama, she insulted me today. I clean her. Ego, what did she do? Mama, asking her. Asking your daughter, asking her. She opening her mouth, she talking to me, insulting me. Mama, I clean her today. Mama, I clean you.
Mama, no, I did not insult her. I did not, she's lying.
You say? Mama, this girl, she opening her mouth. She telling me, Ego, that I regretting chasing all my suitors. Mama telling me, the suitors in your own. Suitors. You see your own suitors in? You see your own suitors in?
You still want to beat her at my back?
Mama, I don't
What
think
is your problem?
Mama, I don't think it. Telling her to come in that. Because today, I killing her. Mama, I killing her. I killing her like a hunter inside the bush. I killing her today, Mama. If I don't kill her,
Ego, calm down.
See, Mama is saving you today, not saving you forever. Mama, do I need?
Mama, why did Papa go to that man without consulting me? I don't like it. The embarrassment was something else.
Your father wants you to get married so that he does not miss the opportunity of becoming the next owner of this land.
Mama, I don't want to get married. I'm not ready to get married. Besides, I don't need anybody's assistance. I'll get married at my own time.
And what would that be? I know your father very well. He's desperate about this office, this Onowu office. And he's ready to fight it to the end. That if anybody should make him miss it, in fact, he will take his life.
Take his life? Why? Why should he do that? This whole thing is getting more complicated than I thought. What is Papa doing about it?
Your father is still very confused about the whole thing.
Wow. Mama, Uchenna is coming back home for his traditional marriage. I'll advise both of you to focus on him and leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Is that all you have to say?
Mama, what do you want me to say? What else should I tell you?
Look at this. Negudu. He's not even ashamed to tell me that his younger brother should come and get married. Ha! What kind of a human being is this? Eh?
Emeka, why are you laughing? Emeka, stop now. This is not funny. This is not a laughing matter. What's wrong with you?
Allow me to laugh. I beg.
What's wrong with you now? Why are you laughing now? Is this funny?
You're angry just because of this.
Listen, let me tell you something. I've had enough insult today. I've had enough embarrassment today. I don't want any more from you. Do you understand?
Listen, my friend. Your father wants you to get married by all means, so that he can be made the Onowu of this land.
That is my point. Must my father become the Onowu of this land? Must my father become the Onowu of this village? If the Igwe dies, another Onowu will be chosen. He mustn't be my father.
Okay, let me ask you. What about the girl you told me about? I think you should bring her home and make her your wife.
Just like that?
Yes, now.
Emeka, are you out of your mind?
Mba.
Have you lost your senses?
No.
So I should just bring her into my house like that? Just like that? Eh? Listen, marriage is a serious matter. You don't just carry a woman and drop her in your house like that. You have to get prepared for marriage. Do you understand me? I have to work hard to ensure that I take care of her. Is that how your father got married to your mother?
Bring her home and make her your wife.
I go for no.
You are leaving. Whether you like it or not, you must marry that girl.
Mama, leaving me, because leaving me. I don't want to do it by force.
Ego, what is your problem? Don't make me ever regret giving birth to you. Eh?
Mama telling me what I doing wrong now. I don't want them now. My marriage is it by force? Is it by force? I don't think loving them. I don't want.
Marriage is not by force. How many people have you rejected only this month? Onye mbobia, ejo. Onye ababia, ejo. Onye atabia, ejo. Ika no wagi. Ika atona kanne. Eh?
Mama, I don't want to marry any other person. Me, I am waiting for my man. Waiting for my own.
Your man? Which your man? Eh? What stops you from bringing your man to this house to your parents? And if he is serious, what stops him from coming to ask properly for your hand in marriage?
Mama, he coming when in lady. He coming, me, him. Yes, Mama, I can't leave him. I can't leave him for somebody that I don't know. I can't leave him. He coming when he lady.
You know why I'm saying this? It's because you are my daughter and you are a woman. You are still young. This is the right time for you to get married to a man. That is why I'm asking you to accept that man. Eh? Because then, it is better when you are young. Because tomorrow, you will be older and you might regret it. Because wait will be. But
Mama, I don't think loving him. I don't think loving them. Me, I want him my own. I'm waiting for him. And Mama, me, I don't want. Telling me, marrying somebody I don't know. It's thing by force.
Ego, I am waiting for you till that time. And do not say I did not warn you, because I know you must regret it. Akwage, Noreba, Nsobado.
Mama, I'm not neglecting anything, no. I'm not neglecting anything. I'm not going. I need somebody.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the bandila. Okay, God is with you. But be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
Ego, how are you?
What is your business in? No, telling me what is your business in how I'm doing and how I'm not doing. What is your business in? You don't have a hand to work.
Calm down.
No, you don't have a hand to work. Eh? You wearing blue, you entering motor, you blowing horn, making noise in the whole village, following me up and down. You don't have a hand to work to do.
Ego, I am following you around because I love you.
Keeping your love to yourself. Keeping your love to yourself. I don't need it. I don't want it. What is it itself?
Ego, can you just calm down? Give me a chance, please.
Chance to doing what? Chance to doing what? Is it by forcing to loving somebody? No, tell me. Is it by forcing to marry you? Stop it following me. I want you. Not to following me. Following me, blowing on everywhere, making noise everywhere. Only you buying motor in this village. Making noise in this village. wearing blue. You fly the letter. Are you seeing this thing now? I'm hitting your head.
I really need to find out why this girl is behaving this way.
Mma, stop waiting for your sister. Because my people have been disturbing me. Get married. Accept my proposal now. Let me come and pay your bride price now.
Obi, my mom insisted I must wait for her.
And you want to wait,
No. Okay, do you expect me to disobey my mom? No, I can't disobey her. See, let me just tell you now, if you know you cannot wait for me, just go and marry someone else.
Yeah? Mama. Wait. Did you just say that to me? Chimo. Yeah. All this love that you've been showering me with. Oh, you've been whining me, okay?
Obi, it's not what you think. Just try and understand me now, please. Be cool.
Ego. Good afternoon. No.
Read it yourself. What you doing here? No, what you did in my father's house? Oh, both of you is discussing me.
We're not talking about
What is my business with your apple and your aji?
We're just talking about ourselves.
And you stand, you holding Ray, taking you holding pillow, he telling you listening. When I collect this people from me, you can't make it not fine using you for food now.
Obi, please, I'll come and see you.
You still standing here talking?
Mbambego, don't, Mama. I'll sit here and wait for you.
You still standing here?
I want to wait for her.
You still standing here?
Mama.
Come out to this night. You can see you evening.
But I want to wait for you.
You waiting for her?
Wait for her.
Wait for her now? No, come waiting for her. Idiot. Look at you with your big tummy. You're not getting any money. You wanted to marry somebody. Right, child man. You wanted to marry a woman. You're not buying Betty. Ordinary Betty for your waist. You wanted to marry my sister. Let hunger kill her. Hunger will kill you there. You see why I said you're a mad man? You're a mad man. You're not getting up from this one. Nonsense. And you, wait. See, you, come back here. Where you? Must be careful. So tell me, did you say that the girl your brother supposed to marry, that she's in US now?
Yes. I mean, everything is complicated. That is why my brother has refused to come back.
To not work, oh. Not work at all.
How do you mean?
Because your brother, Malaysia, Dikeh, US, there's no working now. It's not going to work. They are very far. Very, very far.
She's there for a while. She just went to do her masters and she'll be back.
Hey! Wait, she's even a graduate. She's a graduate.
Say that thing you just said now. Ego, say that thing you just said now.
I just said she's a graduate.
It's not graduate. What are you grinding? It's graduate. Say graduate. She's a graduate. It means she has graduated from school.
He's graduate now.
It's not graduate.
But you're understanding what I'm saying. You want me to be speaking plenty grammar and cut my mouth now?
Graduate. What is
I don't have mouth to use.
She's a graduate. She's doing her masters now. Yeah.
Wait. Did you say 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, she left 3 weeks ago.
The same 3 weeks ago that my younger sister traveled to US.
For what?
To finish school. She reading school. That that one they're doing now.
Wait, you never told me you had a sister who's overseas schooling.
I have sister. She's one of the people that they 150 graduates that they picked. That
Ego, correct yourself. Say graduate.
I don't
Ego,
like...
say graduate.
Graduate. What's the difference in
graduate is different from graduate. What is are you grinding something?
I said graduate. Graduate. What is there?
Okay. Graduate. So she's one of the 150 people that
they take.
You mean
US
scholarship?
Free education. Yes, free education.
Oh.
My sister follow.
Oh, okay.
You see this plenty opportunity that my sister have. Me, I have that plenty opportunity too, but I wasted my own. Wasted plenty things. It's plenty.
How do you mean?
I don't like talking about it. It's a long story.
Well, both of us share the same fate. The privileges my brother enjoys now, it was given to me and I messed it up.
Tell me, how did it happen?
It's also a long story.
You won't believe what I saw. It was just like that when he came in. And I said, are you the one talking to me? He said, yes. Quickly. Owakwe's son was here.
Which of his sons?
The one that came back from Obodo.
Ini Edo.
What?
Ini Edo was here. He came here. Where is he?
He has gone now already.
Papa, what does he want?
Good news. In fact, he wants to take some people to the Obodo. And in fact, you are among the successful 4 that he has selected to travel abroad this year.
Are you serious?
My son, you are the lucky one. In fact, God has remembered our family for good.
Mama, not just that though. Once Ejike travels now, he will be sending us money. You know, dollars, ringgits, pounds, hey, euros. Good news.
He selected me to travel with him. Papa, if I travel with that man, what would I be doing for a living?
Well, he said that he will be providing jobs for you people. Because over there, when you work one hour, you go to another place, you work another 1 hour. From there, you'll be making money.
Papa, is that what he told you? Or you're saying this to convince me?
That was what he told us. He said if you follow him, when he gets there, he will get you jobs.
Jobs.
Not one.
I heard there in abroad, once they start paying you, they will pay you in dollars, not in naira.
No, would they pay in naira and then what about you?
Hey, and dollar now is like a 560 or thereabouts. You have to go. It's a good news.
Papa, Mama, I'm not interested.
Why?
It's a golden opportunity.
Papa, do you know what that man does for a living? Do you know if he's a ritualist? Do you know if he's into human trafficking? Do you know if he does drugs? Please, I'm not interested. He should go with other people, not me.
When he takes you there, you're an adult. You can equally opt out. If he gives you something you don't like, you tell him you will not do that kind of work.
Simple. Mama, I said I am not interested. I'm too young to lose my life. Please, he should take other people and not me.
Ejike, come, let me tell you now, you're my brother, eh? Why are you having this mindset of money ritual every time?
Surprised at this boy's way of thinking most times.
Papa, are you very sure that Ini Edo came to this place?
Was I speaking with water in my mouth?
Leave that to me. Leave him for me, I will handle it. He must go. Ejike.
Educate. Ejike, listen. You're my brother. Okay? I have made my inquiries, concerning Aniego's intention to...
Uchenna, I don't care. Don't tell me anything. Go with them if you're interested.
Listen, you're my brother, and I want the best for you. The movement is pure. The traveling is genuine.
Uchenna! Did you not hear me? I said go with them if you're interested. Don't tell me.
But I am not the one.
You are not the one. So I should be the one to travel and get killed. I should be the one to be used for rituals, huh?
Ejike, you're the first son. You're supposed to be strong. Do this for us now. Eh? Do you like the way we are? Do you like the condition we are living in? Please.
This is exactly 1 week since Aniego visited here. He called me this morning and said that you should get ready. That by next week, you are leaving to Lagos with him.
Mom, Ejike, hey, do not let this golden opportunity pass us by. This is an opportunity to get once in a lifetime. It's a huge favor.
Mama.
Yes?
Have you not heard they sell human parts abroad?
Human parts? How?
How do they do it? They come to villages like this, gather people in the name of helping them, travel with them, kill them, and harvest their organs.
That's a heinous accusation. How did you know that?
Mama, I have a friend who has a big phone. All the information.
Ejike, how many times did I call you?
Papa, I've said the truth.
There's no truth in what you have just said here. Okay, but John, truth. Listen, you will not like me if you miss this opportunity. But
is it, instead of making this trouble, calm down, let us confirm if this
Mama, there's nothing to confirm. If you're doubting me, I'll call my friend and you see for yourself.
Don't listen to this boy here. Eh? If he is not ready to go, I will convince Aniego and make sure that Uche replace him.
Eh? Uche?
Yes!
Okay, that's fine. Papa, that's fine. Uche should follow him. But don't say I didn't warn you. Ha! Let Uche now follow him. Let him follow him.
Is it not good? We verify this.
There is nothing to verify. There is nothing to verify in this whole thing. This idiot is livid. Eh? Everything he is here to conclude. How people are killed and are being harvested abroad. Inside this my house, and knows everything. But I won't blame him. He's taken after you. Simply to go abroad and make a fortune. He's here calculating, making plus and minus, how people are being killed. How do he verify the information he don't know about it? He is always here, gather information, as much as fake information as he can, inside my house.
Killing
killing what? Uchenna. Is he afraid of killing? Don't worry, Uchenna will go there. Let me see how they kill Uchenna. That's why I'm always talking about Uchenna. Hey, Uche is my son. Oh, Uche is my son. Ejike, I don't know where. Ejike, in fact, he should have been.
So stop this your busy body. Stop this your evil act. Makane bwachala nuwa achala neto. Wanem aboni talina
You're here.
Papa?
Yeah?
I'm here. I'm washing.
No, it's good.
It's weekend.
I know. Uche.
Papa?
You see your brother? He's trying to mess up the golden opportunity coming to him. I will not let that happen.
Papa, of a truth, I don't know why Ejike is acting up like this. I don't know why he's behaving like this. He's the first son of this family. my elder brother. He's supposed to man up. Eh? Take responsibility as the first son. Every first son is supposed to be strong and courageous. I have tried to talk to him severally, but he's paying deaf ears on me. I don't know what his problem is. But the thing is that if he's not ready to take up this chance, then I will take it. I will go, Papa.
This is why I call you my son. Each time I look at you, I see myself.
Of course, I look like you.
Yes, exactly why I'm here. I am proud of you. I will go to Anyego immediately to talk to him.
Fine, let's go.
No.
I want to go with you.
You don't need to go with me. I will do the talking alone. Listen, Ejike is about to spoil and poison your mother's heart concerning this travel. Any advice coming either from Ejike or your mother, don't consent.
How about it? I'm not a fool now, Papa.
Don't
I'm not
consent.
a fool. I will go. I have a strong heart. He's a weakling. Don't know why he even came out first. Maybe he didn't play the goal well. Somebody that will travel abroad, you cannot travel abroad. You make money, you are not making money. You don't want to go. Oh.
We shall know who's foolish at the end.
Amen. Everything good will work on your side. In your favor. Amen. Amen.
You are a man.
Yes.
That's why I'm choosing you.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, believe. Are you hearing me?
Hey.
You shall go and come back with good things.
Amen. Amen. I will. Ejike.
Uche. What is going on here?
Your brother is going to Lagos. From that Lagos, he will head straight to Budoyibo.
Yes.
I said, forget about him. God will see you through.
Amen.
That is what I'm telling you.
Amen. Everybody, your phone is ringing.
Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Chelo, with your question. Anyego. Hello? Anyego. Yes. He's already on his way to your house. Biko.
Yes.
Yes, I will tell him. Hurry up.
Okay,
He said he should.
Uche! Ejike! So you have chosen to die, the same death I rejected.
You rejected death and I embraced wealth. So how is that my concern? Who wants to die? Let me go and make money, Biko.
Uche! Okay. Papa, Mama, if anything happens to Uche, if anything happens to Uche, hold you responsible.
Bye-bye.
Mama, okay now.
Leave me alone.
Okay now, no problem.
Son.
Don't mind
You're telling me nonsense. From today, call me Uche Malaysia. Papa, give me the bag, let me go.
Move fast. Let me see that prophet Hezekiah. Nothing will happen to my son. Prophet Ejike. Nothing will happen to my son, prophet. Fake prophet. Nothing will happen to my son. That is the prayer. You keep praying. If anything happens, part of animals.
That was how my brother took all the opportunity I rejected. Because I was listening to rumors. But now I have realized what I did to myself.
Thanking God though. Thanking God you not traveling. You see, me meeting you meeting me. I thanking God way.
You're right. I would have met someone else who would ruin my life. Just like that. Thank God I met you. I mean, my own time will come. And I don't even like Malaysia. I prefer Germany or London.
No, not talking like that.
Not talking like that at all.
See, you have to go into America. America is America.
Ego, can you speak Igbo? You don't have to speak English. Yeah? What is not talking like that? It is don't talk like that. Say don't talk like that. What is not talking like that?
What is the difference now?
It's not Ego, it's not difference. See, difference. Say difference.
Difference.
I went to school. Is it because you see me in my workshop?
Now you want to insult me because
I'm not
you're going to school. You want to insult me now because you're going to school.
No, I didn't.
I have a younger sister going to school.
Okay, see, listen. What I'm trying to say is that you like America, right?
America, fine. See, you, yellow, Nigeria now. You go America. You fine, white, clean.
It's not.
And America
Ego,
money, and that America.
Ego, it's not America now. Stop. It's America.
I'm turning my tongue to
Okay. You know what? Go to America and I'll go to London. I'll go to Germany.
Why are you talking like this now? You're talking like this. You're breaking my heart.
No, I said go to America and let me go to Germany.
You're not loving me again. You're not talking like that now. Not talking like that.
Stand up.
Now you're chasing me.
Stand up now. I'm trying to correct you. You don't want to accept correction. Well, stand up. Stand up now. It is. Don't talk like that. Not talking like that. What is that? I'm trying to correct you. You don't want to take corrections. Why? Let's go.
Which?
Let's go now.
You now. What's the difference in America and the graduate that I talk now? See, it's because me and you look like the same.
If you refuse to do this for your brother and save this family from this shame, bear in mind that there must be a way out. Even if it means going outside to hire an outsider to stand in for your brother, I will do it. But be rest assured that I will disown you. Yes, I've told you that.
Mbana, how dare you say something like that? Is it his fault that Uche is...
I am done, woman. You can go ahead and support your son.
What is this?
Mama, did you hear your husband? Did you hear your husband?
He doesn't mean it.
He said he will disown me. News flash. I am ready. I am ready to be disowned.
God is with you, but be careful. God is with you.